And I go. Well done. I really need to study.
Thank you.
Another papa.
Thank you. Mama, this life is full of lessons.
Every day.
The good ones and the bad ones.
Oh, come.
Do you know that it's over 6 months now? Ifeanyi has not called nor sent me a message.
Oh, Anya Kobakwa Ifeanyi. So you're still thinking about Ifeanyi? Instead of you to concentrate on your studies and pass, in all Ifeanyi. Biko.
Mama, you don't understand. You don't understand what I did for Ifeanyi. I sold my future to make sure he traveled. But at my back, he was seeing another girl. He even got her pregnant. Now he's been the one taking care of her, sending her money. Baraka. Mama, men are wicked.
Not all men are wicked. Ifeanyi in particular is a wicked man. And because stop thinking about him and concentrate on your studies. And you start crying again. And I don't have the energy nor the patience to go through that exercise again with you. Concentrate on what you're doing. Eh? You have a bright future. If you study hard and you pass, you have a bright future. Ifeanyi your future. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because it's short, you can't just never come and Ifeanyi. When you're done reading, you come inside. Biko, you can't cook Ifeanyi now. Come with that.
Down. I promise to start paying from next week. I promise. I'll start paying. Please don't shout so that my mother can...
Mama Rose, you have disappointed us. Especially me. And you. I trusted you. You came and collected money from us and gave it to a guy to travel. Someone that has not even paid a dowry on your head. You said another woman is heavily pregnant for him. Eh? See. Go in and look for the money and come and pay. If not, we will seize your mother's property or arrest you. What is all this? Diara.
Hey! Hey! If you like come, fanabo. If you look nabo, oduria, otumaderia, onye kotegini, okolu. If you bring trouble upon yourself, you carry your trouble. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? Eh? You have heaped debt on your head. That debt will kill you. See it now. See the problem you've brought upon yourself. Debt everywhere. All over your head. Eh? Now the guy is sending money from Malaysia to another woman who is heavily pregnant for him. Money from Malay. In those days when I would tell you, you sing, I'm in love, I'm in love. Oh, that's the way you used to sing the song. Love is blind and lovers cannot see. You guys see this time around. You will see with your eyes. That's Gebu. Nonsense. Tolo. How about you put Tolo?
visit.
She has to pay off her money.
She came and collected money from us. 100,000 naira and gave it to a guy to travel with. She must follow us. She must go with us.
Now. Now.
Rose.
Are you talking?
Rose, what's going on? Is it true?
Talk now. Can't you talk? Something. Give us our money.
Hold on, come.
Oga, now our money we
Come,
dey look
come,
for. Bring
come
it.
now, come.
Eh?
Come. 100,000.
Yes.
So if I give you 100,000, you do that. Now.
One plate. Bring the money again. Pull out it. Pull out it! Until the money is available.
You have to pay. You have to pay.
Madam. It's 100,000.
Oga, this is 100,000 naira.
Can count it.
I no go count. I will not count it. But if one piece is short, I'm coming to arrest her again.
Count it. Just count it.
Okay. This is how I should count.
Leave me now. He has given her the money. Leave me alone.
Wait!
Please, be calm.
What is this now?
It's complete.
Okay.
You can leave her.
That's all. That's all.
Rubbish.
That's all. Shouting like
look at this.
Someone
Just
is.
look at this. I passed my jam.
Hey! You pass. To God be the glory. God, oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have you told doctor? Doctor will be so happy.
I haven't told him. It's not a phone thing now. I need to see him face to face to tell him.
Take it. Go and see doctor. I'm sure he'll be so happy to see this. Hey, greet him, boy. Greet him, oh, hey. Jesus. Hey. So grandmother at university is money to train someone. Well, Jesus, you made her pass. You will provide the money. I trust you. Hey! Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Hey! You know, sometimes we make mistakes in life. But the ability to wake up from our mistakes and think positive and forge ahead means that we can still get to our life's goal if we set our minds on it. To think you almost killed yourself over Ifeanyi. Now look at what is playing out.
I was stupid. But now I know better.
Thank you, God, now you know better. And the good thing here is that Dr. Arinze has promised to see you through school. And maybe at the end of the day, Magono, you people can get married. You know what I mean.
Mama, should I go and propose to Dr. Rinze? You're always too fast.
Oh, let me tell you, what an old woman sitting under the iroko tree would see. A child on top cannot see that far. So I know what I'm talking about. But if I may ask, what is it that you people always discuss when you're together? What do you talk about?
Mama, you can come and peep at us so that you know what we talk about. That is the only way you can know what we discuss. See, Dr. Rinze has not said anything about his feelings for me. Nor has he mentioned anything about relationship. So I don't know. Should I go and propose to him? Moreover, I still love Ifeanyi.
You say Guinea? You still Guinea? If you go here. Nonsense. Good night. You have a way of sending me to bed.
I'm fine, Mama. It's only hunger. Hunger. Mama, it's not easy, but you know I'm more than capable. I'm actually preparing for my final exams. And Mama, very soon I'll be a graduate. Mama, I heard that Ifeanyi is back. And he came back with a woman and a daughter. It won't be easy.
Yes, my daughter. It's back. But I'm advised to stay in school and finish your exam. You know what I'm saying? Don't let that distract you. Focus on your studies, okay?
Okay. Yes, Mama. Take care of yourself. Inugo? Okay, bye. Ifeanyi. The cloud is gathering, and the womb of tomorrow can never be aborted. We shall see after my final exams.
Okay, ma. Yes! I'm back! I'm back, Mama! I'm back! Animal is back!
Where's the money?
Mama, wait! Mama, wait! Mama, Annie Billion. Annie Malay!
Annie Billion!
It's back! Mommy! I know you observed this car when it came in. It came in earlier before I arrived.
Yes.
There's a reason for it, Mommy. This is your car! Mama, this is your car! Oh, Botogi!
Yes! You deserve it. You deserve it. Yes, Mama Niego. Mama the million. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. Solomego. Match this money. Solomego, Mama. Match the money. There's too much money, Mama. Yes.
You got money. Yes, Mama.
Hey! Mommy! And the billion is back. And Niego is back. All our problems are over. Mommy, you gotta go. Money talks and bullshit walks. DJ, I want them time.
I counted it. No problem. Don't steal. I'm sorry. There you go. I'm sorry, ma. See, my money is going outside. My money is going outside. Don't let it go outside. Hey. I counted everything. No problem. I counted this. One of them make on my girl. Animale!
Hello? Rose, you will live long ago. I was just thinking about you and then your call came in.
I'm fine, Mama. It's only hunger. Hunger.
How is school?
Mama, it's not easy, but you know I'm more than capable. I'm actually preparing for my final exams. And Mama, very soon I'll be a graduate.
How? Mamo, because study hard, I'm praying for you. Study hard so you will come out with flying colors. I cannot wait to be called a lawyer.
Ha, Mama, I heard that Ifeanyi is back. And he came back with a woman and a daughter. It won't be easy,
well, if Ifeanyi is back, Manawam, do not let that deter you. Don't think about Ifeanyi. Concentrate on your studies. Forget Ifeanyi for now, so you will pass very well. Inugo?
Okay. Yes, Mama. Take care of yourself. Inugo?
Ngwajisike. Bye. Hi, who gave her this information? I don't even have energy for any more traumas. Over Ifeanyi. Chuku na biko kwa biko no. Nwa pass kwa exam.
Ifeanyi. The cloud is gathering, and the womb of tomorrow can never be aborted. We shall see after my final exams.
I'm in my son's house, so. Okay, enjoyment. It is God.
Mommy.
Let me call you back. Oh, let me attend to my son.
Mommy.
Bye.
Oh.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Thank God.
I am filled. That is, I don't know, Mom. Hey, I've missed our Nigerian food, especially yours.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Is it that you people don't have our food there?
Well, we do. Something like that. But it can't be compared to our original Igbo food.
Yeah.
Nibanya Amaka, we're talking about Ofede. Pounded yam and sola. So if you're even now, no. You gotta go with your Morocco and a lot of obstacles.
Oh.
You gotta go.
What are obstacles?
Obstacles.
Because
you can go.
No.
Mommy, who's a tubam nala? Hey! Feels good to be back home.
Yes, so. You know, since you came back, we have not had time to discuss.
Yes.
So I told that Calabar boy,
Akpan,
to lock the gates and tell everybody that comes here that you're not around. You don't know who is who. Huh?
No, you panic too much. You panic too much. I have money now.
That's my fear.
If I decide to open my money bag, I will feed every person in this village for the next 50 years.
Hey!
You got to go. So as you can see, money is not the problem. Now money talks, bullshit walks. You got to go. So find the pay gate. Open it wide open. Let them come in. I am going to be the next Igwe of this town. Can you find a coifa? Let the people come.
Let us finish our discussion.
Okay.
The lady that came back with you and the small girl, who are they?
Sonia. Mommy, Sonia is my wife. Yes. We got married 4 years ago in Malaysia. Yes. The little girl with us is her daughter from a previous marriage.
Onubugodi?
Yeah, Onubugokwa. Natagoma now. Akoke Erika. Nandin Dotata. Jide Cash. She is responsible for it. Yes. When I arrived in Malaysia, Sonia received me very well and opened doors for me. Mama, she gave me the connection to make money. Let her go. Our traditional marriage is on the pipeline. Don't worry. Sonia is a good woman. I like her. Yes. And Oji Cash. Oji is about money. No go?
What about Rosie? Rose?
Who sued the father? And he produced his daughter. Since he has been denying the whereabouts of his daughter. Anyway, thank God that she's back. And she's in the same village with me. She doesn't know where she is. She doesn't even know that I'm here now, sir. So, I'm so happy. But we'll have to be fast too, so that before she will disappear again. You understand? Once you mobilize me, I will do the needful. No, well, so send me your account number now. Let me just... Okay, let me think I'll do that. I'll do that immediately. Yes, I have to go to the clinic. Send a account number to me. Alright, I'll do that. Okay. Okay now. You want to do, let me know. Okay. Who sued the father? And he will produce his daughter. Since he has been denying the whereabouts of his daughter. Anyway, thank God that she's back. And she's in the same village with me. She doesn't know where she is. She doesn't even know that I'm here now, sir. So, I'm so happy. But we'll have to be fast too, so that before she will disappear again. You understand? Once you mobilize me, I will do the needful. No, well, so send me your account number now. Let me just... Okay, let me think I'll do that. I'll do that immediately. Yes, I have to go to the clinic. Send a account number to me. Alright, I'll do that. Okay. Okay now. You want to do, let me know. Okay.
No, workers are not here.
But the fence is up. Even the other people are doing their own.
I don't want. Why wouldn't other people do their own? Son and alone. After what my daughter did for you and your son, my daughter went and borrowed money to help your son travel abroad. You people dumped her. My daughter borrowed money, borrowed money to ensure I went to Malaysia. And what is paining me is that the ticket money was too high because Malaysia had 2 days to get there. Then you people just dumped her.
Onya? Who begged her? Well, hunger is bad. Ago or joke. And jealousy kills. So because of ordinary face, if you not go, that is why your antenna you are an enemy of progress.
You're a useless woman. I don't blame you. You're a useless woman. That my daughter. To go and borrow money for your son.
Oh, I go a joker. If you are hungry and need money, tell me. I will give you money. If you are if you like Korean, because you are the witness between this woman and myself.
Don't say that. Don't you people should stop this. Stop it. It is not good. You people are all grown-ups.
My sister, leave that one. No. This woman is not a good woman. But I don't blame her.
Exactly.
Suzulu went to borrow money for that boy. That's the person that I blame. I got never na kwasilia. Igenwego. Hi.
Hey, I don't know what your problem is, so. But one thing is obvious. One thing is very clear. My son will never marry your daughter.
Jesus.
Anya poverty. Please take your daughter to somewhere else, millionaire level.
Don't talk like that. You are not God. If it was to be your daughter that another man used and dumped like that, you that I know will go to 7 shrines just to kill the person. I don't like evil. I don't entertain it. You know very well that your son owes Rose a lot. It's not good.
It's okay. Woman leader Benagwa, hold the tears. I am glad that somebody else knows that someone visits different shrines. You know, it's always been a secret in this village. But not to worry. They said my daughter is poor. Hey, let them wait and see. My daughter will grow and get there. Amen. Except it is not the God that I know sitting up there. I'm looking at you. Yes. You have to enrich my daughter.
Amen.
Give her now.
Wait first. Let me correct an impression. Woman leader, first and foremost, if I had a daughter, she wouldn't be forcing herself on a man.
Everybody in this community know that the two of them were in love.
Thank you.
They were in love.
Your own judgment, and you're entitled to your opinion. Hold on. As per Inwego, it is not by muscle. Neither is it by power. You got to go? But let us keep it for another day. Yes. If you know how much your daughter spent on my son according to you, tell me. Just tell me how much. I will call my son now. Or why are they?
Wait. What are you talking about spent? The money you used to travel to Malaysia? Or the time wasted? Or the fact that you used to be poor and you are now polished? Is it not my daughter's money that is doing all this? How do you quantify how much you will repay my daughter?
What do you want? My son has moved on.
Oh, go on.
He has moved on.
We're coming.
We're
coming.
Get out, because let me call my son near feedback.
Hey, Papa.
So, Mama, if Dr. Arinze did not see me through school, this is how I would have ended up being a village champion. After all I did for him, Mama, I suffered for him. I suffered to make sure that he traveled abroad. And now he is back. His mother could open that her dirty mouth and vomit nonsense to you. Manan Sobadro. The good news is that I am a graduate.
Yes, sir.
A lawyer for that matter. And I'll soon be called to bar.
Okay.
But the bad news is I have a mission.
Biko, do not embark on any vengeance spirit, Biko. Forget this. Eh? Let me even ask you. Does Dr. Arinze know that you're done with exams and back to the village? What if he wants to marry you?
Will I be the one to propose to him?
What if he proposes?
Come on, I'll say yes. I'm already his.
My advice, keep away from Ifeanyi.
You look so beautiful.
Dr. Arinze.
God.
Please don't flatter me.
I am not flattering you. Oh my God.
It's so good to see you though.
Same here.
Is that your mom?
Yeah.
Oh.
My beautiful mom.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. She's so beautiful.
She's hot.
Thank you, ma.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, ma.
Hi. For Arinze, my own son, to see you come down from his car to hug you, it's like he likes you a lot. My daughter, please, I want you to come to the house. We need to talk. Heart to heart. Woman to woman. You know now.
Mama.
Hey, Arinze, you have eye for beautiful damsels.
Well,
She's beautiful.
she is. The point is that you're beautiful. But, so you came into this town and you couldn't even bother to check on me.
Dr. Arinze, it's not like that. I came in just last night and I have a mission.
Okay?
But you know what? I'll stop by later to see you, okay? Your mother has already invited me, even though I don't know your house.
No problem.
I want to see you.
I'll stop by,
Are
ma.
you promising me that you will come?
I'll stop by, ma.
Okay.
She's on a mission. We're on a mission too.
Okay.
We will see you now.
Please come.
I will, ma.
Come on, enter the car. Let's go.
Sorry,
We have a mission too. But when you're done, please call me, please.
I will. I will.
You look so good.
Thank you, doctor.
Hey.
Thank you. So good to see you.
Yes? What are you looking for here?
I am here to see your son. He owes me.
I am sure your mother must have told you that the gap between us now is world apart. So whatever it is you had in mind coming here has failed. So get out of my house.
You know, if it were to be Rose of last 5 years, you'd be begging for air now. But take this good message. Rose is now a lawyer. And at the right time, even you will not be exempted. Have a good day, Mama Ifeanyi. We will see who will laugh last.
I'm laughing. Thank God my son built a high fence. Let me see how your witchcraft will jump over this fence. Enemy of progress. After taking his passport to the shrine, you expect him to marry you. Upe, Noka. Come and enter, Kamfuno. Bianunu. I'm going to choose. I am sure your mother must have told you that the gap between us now is world apart.
This is 100,000 naira. Make sure you pay back at the right time.
Oh, don't worry. She will not disappoint. She will pay back on time.
Please, I don't want any kind of problem.
Leader, there will be no problem at all. I
No
will
problem.
not disappoint you.
Yes.
Just trust me on this, by God's grace.
Yes.
Thank you.
Anyway, make sure you make good use of the money. Okay?
Thank you.
She will.
Take this 10,000 and add it to the money you've given the agent. You know, go.
Baby. Baby. Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
The way his mother attacked us, I need to confrontify him first. Then from his response, I'll know how to display myself to them. It's rather unfortunate though.
You have to be very careful now. Left for me, I would say just move on with your life. You're far ahead of this guy. Seriously. Even though that I have a daughter with her. Won't have bothered myself, but I'm very close.
But will she still remember you? It's over 5 years.
Yeah, 7 years though, but you know, blood is thicker than water. Okay. Mama.
You people should come in and eat before the food gets cold.
Yeah.
Mama, don't worry, we are coming, eh? Go in.
I should go in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, go, we are coming.
I'm going. Doctor.
It's okay. She's like that. Yeah, so your daughter, is she like you?
My daughter, so beautiful. She's like me.
Are you serious? Let me see. Let me see.
Show me some.
are against my kingship. Buy them over. 100,000 naira each for them. Nem told me that Ichio Ogwejofo and Iguilo are sticking their neck against it.
Yes, it is true. It's true. It's true.
Iguilo is your late father's enemy.
Enemy number one, no. Number one.
They fought almost every day.
He never gave your late
at
father
the elders forum. By age, he is next in line, but
he does not have money.
Yes.
He's a poor man.
Yes.
You gotta go. Yes. And this town cannot have a poor king.
Never.
You hear me?
Never.
All right. So you will make him an offer he cannot refuse. 200,000 naira for him.
Hey.
That's not all. There is so much more for him. I understand he is still living in that dilapidated house, right?
Not even completed at the back.
That dirty place.
It's dirty.
I will finish it for him.
Huh?
Yes, I will fix that house for him. You have to do everything possible to get him on my side. I don't have time for distraction. You gotta go.
Odoguna Male.
You gotta go.
Odoguna Male.
Any billion is talking.
Odoguna Male.
Any billion is doing things.
Odoguna Male.
My money is talking and bullshit is working.
Odoguna Male. Odoguna Male. Your mother said that your Malaysian wife is from Obosi. And that you are planning to do Haimbanko.
Oh yes.
Marry her.
Oh yes.
Traditionally.
Oh yes. Yes, you're very right. Huh? On that day, this town will witness heavy men with metal money. Men who check we're going to run down this town. Shut down everywhere. Money talking, bullshit walking.
we are for you. Anytime, any day.
What today? Today.
Odoguna Male.
This is for Kola North. Please don't spend it on nothing else. Just for Kola. That's all. Ego Erika.
Odoguna Male.
Ego Erika. Let it be as we have discussed. Get everybody on my side. It's too much. Too much money. I cannot finish it in the next 50 years. Ask my mother. Ask my mother. Yes. Because when I know, take it home.
You will live long for us.
Yes. Yes. Money talking and bullshit will walk. Thank you, Mama. Oh, Lillian, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes, Daddy, I'm fine.
Okay.
But I'm missing Mommy.
Oh, don't worry. Mommy will be back. She went to get something, but I promise you she's coming back. Okay?
Okay.
Have you eaten?
Yes, Daddy.
So what do you want to do now?
I want to watch cartoon.
Which one?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. All right, go and get the remote. Let me switch it for you. Okay? That's my girl.
And who are you looking for?
I'm Rose. I'm here to see Ifeanyi.
As what? His sister or cousin?
Who are you, if I may ask?
I'm his wife. Do you have an appointment with him? Because he can't just dress up, come to my husband's house without any appointment.
Not really. But tell him that Rose, the lady that sacrificed her life for him to travel abroad, was here to see him. I'll be back, but not like this. Have a great day.
You don't threaten your next king.
She was my girlfriend back then. She used to support me financially. Later, I discovered that she was seeing other men. I started withdrawing from her gradually. She didn't know when I left the country. I really don't know why she came to see me. Because Mama has warned her and her mother to stay away from me.
My dear, you see, no one believed my son would come back in a big way. You know, people can be funny. And women were just all over him. But don't worry, I am here to handle their madness. Oh? I'm here for you.
This whole drama isn't funny any longer. You have to reconcile with the Rose girl. Whatever it is, settle with her. We would have stayed back in Malaysia. Yeah, my ex is on my neck. And I can't lose my daughter.
Come on, baby. Running away won't solve anything. Look, Rose was dating Dr. Arize behind me. I found out exactly when Ujunwa was making advances at me. She denied everything. She said there was nothing between the both of them. But I kept wondering, what kind of doctor drops his patient at home? See, don't worry, okay? Just let it be. And Billion will handle it.
I hope so.
Baby, you look tired. Come and rest, okay? Let's go upstairs. Don't worry, it's okay. Report to the task. Alright? Money talks and bullshit ones.